Hello students, move to exercise 5.2. I have explained about the formulas of this exercise in the introduction video of this chapter 5. So, question number 1, 5.2. Exercise 5.2. It contains 4 parts. Part first. A 7, B 3 and N equal to 8. We have to find An. The formula for An means nth term A plus N minus 1 into D. What is A? A is 7. What is N? N is 8 minus 1 into D is 3. 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 3. 7 plus 7 3 is 21. This becomes 28. Second part. A is minus 18. N is equal to 10. And An is 0. Again we have to find D. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is 0. A is minus 18. From these A 1, 2, 3 and 4. From 4 quantities we have 1, 2 and 3 quantities. We put all these values in this. Plus N is 10. 10 minus 1. D we have to calculate. Taking this to this side, this becomes 18. 10 minus 1, 9 D. So this becomes plus 18. And D equal to 18 upon 9. This becomes 2. Now move to question number or part number 3rd. D is minus 3. N is 18. And An is minus 5. Minus 5. Again An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is An? Minus 5. A we have to find because 1, 2 and 3 quantities we have. So A plus N is 18 minus 1 and D is minus 3. Minus 5 plus A plus 17 into minus 3. Sorry, here is equal to minus 5 equal to A minus 51. Taking this to this side, minus 5 plus 51 equal to A. And this A becomes, subtracting this 5 from 51 becomes 46. Move to part 4. Here A minus 18.9. 18.9. D is 2.5. 2.5. And An is 3.6. 3.6. Again An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We have to find N this time. An is 3.6. A is minus 18.9. n minus 1 into d is 2.5. Again, taking this to this side, 3.6 plus 18.9 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. This becomes 9 plus 6, 15, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 plus 1, 2, 22.5 equal to n minus 1. At taking this to 2.5 here, multiplication becomes in division. Cancel point with point, 25 1 ja 9 ja, 25 9 ja 2 2 5. Again this n becomes 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Now the last part of it, a is equal to 3.5. A equal to 3.5. D is equal to 0. N is equal to 105. 105. And AN is equal to, we have to find. Again, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is, we have to find. A is 3.5. N is 105 minus 1 and D is 0. 3.5 plus 104 into 0. 3.5 plus 0. 3.5. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Part first. 30th term of the AP. Mean AP is AP is 10, 7, 4, 10, 7, 4. We have to find its 30th term. A 30. And formula for this, A plus N minus 1 into D. Here, what is A? A is 10. Put this A here. Plus, what is N? This is N. 30 minus 1. This AN. So N is 30. And what is D? D for this. 7 minus 10. When we subtract or calculate here, D for this, 7 minus 10, we get minus 3. So D is minus 3. 10 plus 29 multiply minus 3. 10 plus 3 9 जा 27. 2 carry करेंगे. 3 2 जा 6 plus 2 8. Means this is minus, or minus plus becomes minus, and this is minus 77. So C is the option. Similarly, the second part, AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 comma 2. Again we have to find A11. For A11, A is equal to minus 3, N is equal to 11, and d is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus minus 3, mean minus 1 by 2 plus 3. Taking LCM, 2 minus 1 plus 3 to the 6, mean 5 by 2. When we put these values in an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is it? A is minus 3. This is a is minus 3 plus n is this 11 minus 1, and what is d? D is 5 by 2 minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2 minus 3 plus 25. This becomes 22. So B is the correct option. Move to question number 3. Question number 3. First part. 2, the box, and this is 26. From here A1 is 2 and A3, because 1, 2 and 3 terms are given in this AP, and A3 is 26. We have to find the term which can be suited or which can be fitted here. A3, A plus n mean 3 minus 1 into d. A3 is 26, A is 2 plus 2 into d. Taking this to this side, 26 minus 2 equal to 2d. 24, taking this to here, 2 equal to d, and this becomes 12 and d equal to 12. Now A2 equal to A1 plus d, and A1 is, what is A? A1 is 2 plus, this is A1 or A? A1 or A? So A1 is 2 plus D is 12, becomes 14. So A2 is 14. Move to question number 2 or part number 2. Here the boxes are comma 13, again comma, and again 3. Means this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, and this is A4. So A2 is equal to 13, or A2 is A plus D. A2 is A plus D equal to 13. Again this becomes first equation, and A4 3, A plus 3D, this becomes second. 1 minus 2. When we subtracting this 2 from first, this is minus, this is minus, and this is minus. So this 1 is cancel out, and we get 0. This 3D minus, and this D is plus, so we get minus 2D, and from here we get 13 minus 3 is 10, and D is equal to 10 upon minus 2 and becomes minus 5. So A1, if we put this value of D in equation 1 or equation 2, put D is equal to minus 5 in equation 1. A minus 5 equal to 13, or A equal to 13 plus 5 equal to 18. Now, what is A1? A1 is equal to 18. A1 is 18. And what is A3? A3 equal to A2 plus D, and A2 is 13 plus minus 5. 13 minus 5 equal to 8. So we have find the values of two boxes by subtracting by solving equation 1 and 2. This is the elimination method, or this method is used in chapter number 3. Move to next part. Question number third, part third. This is 5 and this is 9 and 1 by 2. So from here, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. So A1 equal to 5 and A4 equal to 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. And A4, A plus 3D, A plus and minus 1, n is 4. A4 is 19 by 2, A is 5 plus 3D. Taking this to this side, 19 by 2 minus 5 equal to 3D. Taking LCM 2, 19 minus 5 to the 10, 3D. Subtracting 19 or 10 from 19 is 9 by 2. This is 3D, or D is equal to 9 upon 2 into 1 by 3, or D equal to 3 by 2. So we find these missing boxes, means A2, A3. A2 equal to A plus D, mean what is A? 5 plus 3 by 2, mean LCM is 2, 1, 5 to the 10 plus 3 equal to 13 by 2. 13 by 2. Now A3. This A3 equal to A plus 2D or A2 plus D. What is A2? 13 by 2, and D is 3 by 2. This becomes 13 plus 3, LCM is 2. 13 plus 3, 16 by 2, 8 becomes 8. Now, in this way you have to find the missing box in term of the missing boxes. Move to part 4. Part 4 is, from here A is equal to minus 4. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. A4 is minus 4 and A6 is equal to minus 6. A6 equal to A plus 5D. Minus 6 equal to A is minus 4 plus 5 into D or 5D. Minus 6 plus 4 equal to 5D. This becomes minus 2 5D and D becomes minus 2 by 5. Sorry, we have taken here minus 6, but this is plus 6. This becomes plus 10 and this becomes 10 by 5. D is equal to 2. By mistakes, this 6 is taken as negative. So, from that we have calculated the value of D wrong. Now we have to calculate A2. A plus D. What is A? Minus 4. And what is D? 2. And we have minus 2. A3. A2 plus D. What is A2? Sorry, A2 equal to minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. This can also be calculated by using the formula of A2. A plus 2 minus 1 into D and it becomes A plus D. What is A? This. And A3, A plus 3 minus 1 into D, it becomes A plus 2D. A plus 2D. And here we get minus 4 plus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0. Same. So we can apply any one formula for calculating this value of boxes. Now A4. A plus 3D. What is A? Minus 4 plus 3 into 2. Minus 4 plus 6 equal to 2. A5. A plus 4D. Or A4 plus D. What is A? Minus 4 plus 4 into 2. Minus 4 plus 8 equal to minus 4. So we can find these values boxes. The last part of this is fifth part. Question number 3. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. 6 terms given, so A2 is 38 and A6 is minus 22. So from here, this is A2. A plus D is equal to 38, becomes question first. And A6, A plus 5D equal to minus 22. This is equation second. Again, first minus second, or subtracting equation second from first. Minus 4D equal to 8 plus 2, 10, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Or D is equal to 60 divided by minus 4. D is equal to minus 15. Now we have to find A1. How can we find A1? Put value of D is equal to minus 15 in equation first or second. A plus D is minus 15 equal to 38. A minus 15 equal to 38, or A equal to 38 plus 15, and this becomes 53. Now A3. A2 plus D. What is A2? 38 plus minus 15. 38 minus 15 means 23. 38 minus 15 is 23. Again A4. A3 plus D. What is A3? A3 is 23 plus minus 15. 23 minus 15, and this becomes 8. Again A5. A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 is 8. 8 plus minus 15. 8 minus 15 minus 7. This becomes minus 7. So only one formula is used in this exercise, and that is, or in all these three questions, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or a n is equal to a n minus 1 plus d. Move to question number 4. Question number 4. Which term of the AP is AP 3, 8, 13, 18, 18 is 78? यानी कि ये जो AP दे रखी है, इस AP की कौन सी टर्म 78 होगी? So this is the last term. Let an is equal to 78. What is A? 3. What is D? 8 minus 3, 5. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 78. Put the value of a and d. What is a? This is 3. N minus 1. And what is value of d? D is 5. 78. N minus 1, 5 equal to 78 minus 3, 75, or n minus 1 upon 5. N equal to 15 plus 1 equal to 16. So 16th term of this AP is 78. From this AP we have find that AN is 78, A is this and D is this. Again from these A is given, all these. A is given, AN is given, D is given. We have to find this A. Like in question number 1, 3, question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. 5. First part. AP is 7, 13, 19, 205. From this AP, we have to find what is given. Given is A, 7. D is equal to 13 minus 7, that is 6. And AN equal to 205. If we can compare this with this, what is A? 3 changed to 7. What is D? 5 changed to 6. And what is AN? AN 78 to 205. So same formula can be used. A plus N minus 1 into D. This is 205. What is A? 7 plus N minus 1. What is D? 6, 205. Taking this to that side. N minus 1, 6 equal to 205 minus 6. Oh, sorry, 7. 15 minus 7. This is 8. And this becomes 9 and this becomes 1. Now N minus 1 equal to 198 divided by 6. So N equal to 33 plus 1 or N is equal to 34. Move to second part. Question number 5, comma 15 and 1 by 2. 15 and 1 by 2 mean 15 to ja 30 plus 1, 31 by 2, comma 13, 47. Here again A is equal to 18, D is equal to 31 by 2 minus 18, taking 2 as LCM, 31 minus 36 minus 5 by 2 and A n equal to 47. Again put formula of An is A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 47. What is A? 18. N minus 1 into what is D? D is again minus 5 by 2 and it is 47. Now N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2, 47 minus 18. So this becomes it is D. Again, here we find N in terms of minus. If we take LCM, this side becomes negative. But from here, this is minus 47. So this is minus 47, minus 47, minus 47 and minus 47. This becomes 7 plus 8, 15, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 16 and minus. And N minus 1 equal to into 2 by minus 5. This minus cancel out this minus and this becomes N minus 1 equal to 26 or N is equal to 26 plus 1, 27. So this we have done 5.2 exercise and question number 5 complete, 2 part. Move to next. Question number 6. Check whether 1 minus 50 is terms of AP. 11, 8, 5 and 2. So let AN is equal to minus 150 and from the given AP, A is 11 and D is 8 minus 11 minus 3, and A plus n minus 1 means A plus n minus 1 equal to minus 150. What is A? 11 plus n is we have to find. And what is D? A plus n minus 1 into D, and D is minus 3. N minus 1 equal to minus 150 minus 11. 61. Now n minus 1 equal to minus 161 divided by minus 3. 3 3 is 9 and 2 and 1 by 3. It becomes this, or 161 by 3 plus 1. It becomes 161 plus 3 upon 3 mean 164 upon 3. But n is always a whole number. When we this divide by this is becomes a p by q form or a rational number. But when n is always a whole number, so this 150 is not the terms of the given AP. 150 minus 150 is not the terms of the given AP. Move to question number 7. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is A11 is equal to question number 7. 38 and 16. A16 is equal to 73. We have to find A31. A31. So, what is A11? A plus 10D is equal to 38. This is first. What is A16? A plus 15D equal to 73. This is second. First minus second, minus minus minus, cancel out, minus 5D. This becomes 13 minus 8, 5, 6 minus 3, 3, minus minus minus, cancel out. D is equal to 35 by 5, 5 7 ja. D is equal to 7. Now A31 is equal to A plus 30D. And what is A? Sorry, first we have to find the value of A to calculate A31. Put D is equal to 7 in equation 1. A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38, or A equal to 38 minus 70, and this becomes 10 minus 8 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, and minus. So A31 is equal to A plus 30D. What is A? Minus 32 plus 30, and what is D? Is 7. Minus 32 plus 210, subtract 10 minus 8 to 8. Again here 10 minus 3, 7, and this becomes 1. So A31 is 178. Move to question number 8.